What if a simple gummy could switch on fat burning, reset your metabolism, and melt weight away without any real effort? That's exactly how Gumitide gummies are being promoted across ads and websites. But when you look beyond the marketing, the picture becomes a lot more complicated. Gumitide gummies are advertised as a weight loss solution designed to support gut health and accelerate fat metabolism. Yet most of these claims rely heavily on buzzwords rather than solid scientific backing. The formula is said to include common ingredients like apple cider vinegar and BHB salts, which are often used in many generic diet supplements. But these ingredients on their own have limited and inconsistent evidence when it comes to producing significant fat loss in real-world conditions. On top of that, there is no strong clinical study proving that Gumitide gummies as a complete product can deliver the dramatic results shown in promotional content. Some of the marketing materials also raise concerns, with phrases like FDA approved or clinically proven being used in a way that can be misleading since supplements are generally not approved in that manner. Another issue is the heavy use of exaggerated advertising tactics, including countdown timers, urgency claims, and overly polished testimonials that may not reflect real user experiences. In fact, similar products in the same category have been rebranded and relaunched multiple times under different names, which adds to the confusion around consistency and trust. While some users may report minor changes due to diet or lifestyle adjustments, there is no reliable evidence that Gumitide gummies alone are responsible for significant or lasting weight loss. Overall, the product sits in a gray area where marketing promises are strong, but verified real-world results appear limited and inconsistent, making it important for viewers to stay cautious before expecting dramatic outcomes.